Hey everybody, it's Keith with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Got a really good looking one for you here today in a dark charcoal gray, almost black. Sold unit, was stock, but the guy finally came in and bought it. It's a 2020 Peterbilt 567, an 80-inch stand-up sleeper, or what many guys call a mid-roof sleeper. Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful truck. Just got it back from the decal shop, or the sign shop. Got his DOT number and got everything on there that we needed. So it's a 260 wheelbase. It's a Cummins X15, 565 horse, 2050 torque, air-ride steer axle, pretty well loaded, platinum interior, pretty much everything you want on a truck. Good looking truck. It's kind of a cross between a 389 and a 579. You kind of got the squared hood, but you still got a sloped nose. Really good looking truck. Let's see if we can see there you go. Gorgeous color. Lots of metal flake in it. It's on 11R 22.5s, round hole wheels. Got a master disconnect in there. Polished stainless steel def tank cover. Believe it's 100 on this side. Yep, 100 gallon. We need to clean that up a little bit. Got the toolbox access steps. Got 4 LED lights on the rear. And this has the extensions, the sleeper extensions. I don't like them. I think they look bad and they get crumpled up and beat up all the time, but they do help with aerodynamics if you can suck a trailer up nice and close. So got an air ride on the sleeper esbar heater there. That's the exhaust for the esbar. Got the catwalk there. 30-inch Hogue built quarter fenders. Got Bridgestone M726s on this, and 11R 22.5. Believe we got disc brakes all the way around, and then we got the LED lights all in the rear cross member like they should be. Disc brakes. You can see there's no hose there coming around right in here. So this one does not have lockers. It's got the inner axle diff lock, so front and rear lock together, but not side to side. Holland, I believe that's the FW17 fifth wheel, 36-inch slide. Pretty standard back here. I didn't order these, but I like to put the CB antenna and the radio antenna on the back of the sleeper. So that's my personal take on that. Got a 150 on this side. Really nice logo, really cool. Guy's a black belt, and kind of ties that in with his logo. So don't mess with him at a truck stop, okay? Get the chrome, it's what they call the bright package. So you get the chrome sun visor and the chrome mirrors. Take a look under the hood. We did an air ride steer axle on this. Dual leveling valves. The hot side of the engine here, turbo. So your drivetrain's going to be the same as it is on the 389s. If you notice, this is a 3-piece hood, so that center piece has a seam right here. So you can, if somebody tears up a fender, you can just replace this side of the hood or the other one, so you don't have to replace the whole thing. With the blowdown on this, on the 389s, you'll see it down here, it's yellow. On these, it's red, and it's locked there. That just unlocks it. So you can shut the hood. The Davco 382 fuel filter, which is really nice. This one shows it really well. You can see the fuel levels right there. And the nice thing about the Davcos is the higher this fuel level goes, means the more your filter is being plugged. So when it gets up to about here, you need to replace that. Matter of fact, it even says change at the bottom of that black line. Very handy, very nice. Good way to do it. There's the air ride axle. I don't know if I can get up. Yep, there you go. There's a 565 2050. One thing about these trucks, all your air connections are outside the cab. So there's nothing in the cab that has an air connection, so you never hear any air leaking in the cab. And then all your electrical is here, and it's just uncouples. So really nice design. This is what they call the 2.1 meter cab. This cab, not the hood, the cab. This cab is shared 567s, that's what this is, has this cab. 579s, same cab. T680s and T880s, all the same cab. Your sleeper door. Lots of storage underneath, and you can access this from inside the cab. Very open. Much more open than a 389. Just a little platinum interior. It says the memory seats. So every time you get in, it goes back to where it was set. When you get out, it drops to the floor. Yep, there goes the seat coming up. Power windows, power locks. Get her fired up. Navigation is standard in these. Takes it a minute to fire up. Here's our AM/FM CD player. Climate control there. 18-speed transmission. So this is what originally boots up on the nav. Let's see if we can. See if I can do that without. So there's your gauges. So you've got these gauges. You got your fuel, def, and coolant. You got your two air pressures and oil PSI. Obviously tach and speedo. So over here, top left to right is oil temp, transmission temp, manifold pressure, DPF status, whether you need to clean it or if it does a regen, average fuel mileage, and your torque percentage. So then what you do is you grab it and swipe across. You got load suspension, front and rear axle temps, your rear diff temps, and air filter, whether it needs cleaned or not right here. You can add more gauges to it than that if you want. Factory installed CB, tons of headroom in here. Nice thing about the 567s, 579s, you can get the smart wheel, as you can see. Volume up and down, seek up and down, mute or mode, and then your cruise controls all right here. Can't get that in a 389, not available. The biggest difference you're going to see in this truck is it's pretty much a level step. You just got a little seam there you got to step over. but there's a lot more room between the seats here. Much wider gap. So much easier to just step back into the sleeper. Single bunk. Easy to step back in. Let's see if we can... Oh, we got ambient lighting. Oh, there it is. So you turn on that ambient lighting right there. This is what you get up here. And you can dial it up or dial it down, whatever you prefer. Get them a nice little night light. And then here's your esbar heater, your bunk heater. Lots of room. Storage underneath there. Pulls out so you get a writing desk. Kinds of storage underneath. And then over here, got a closet with a mirror. And there's your fridge. So really nice, well laid out truck. You don't feel claustrophobic in this at all. This is an 80-inch sleeper. You got a little push out. You can put a laptop on there or something if you're riding shotgun. So you see there's a lot more room between those seats. A little storage up there. Just a beautiful sleeper. Tons of room. Hey, what are you doing? Mr. Aaron crawling in here. So that's the ambient lighting. We'll shut that off. Shut this light off. And that's about everything on this truck. Teeth couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt. Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. One thing I'm trying to show you guys is the weight. 18,731. And we have a block heater. 336 gears on this truck. Tall rubber. So I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of this truck. 2025 67 Peterbilt. Charcoal gray, almost black. Beautiful truck. Well, thank you for watching. Keith Couch, 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, at rushenterprises.com. Like and subscribe if you would, please. I'm trying to catch up to some of these other channels, so I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Have a happy Thanksgiving.